Hello friends, many of you ask me on Instagram that how much time I have to invest for study. So I made a poll in Telegram channel, so you may join from a link in description. Before starting, whatever I will discuss, it will be my personal opinion and experience, so take it in that way. You may give your point of view from in a comment. So let's start. I want to show you the result of poll. Here you can check 54% students reading for less than 4 hours, 35% students reading for 4 to 8 hours, and 11% students for reading more than 8 hours, only 11%. If you want video on how to study efficiently, so I have already made a video on that, so you may check from a link in the description. So with you will be able to study 8 to 10 hours for sure without frustration, so you may check from a link in the description. So let's start our discussion. Let's start with foundation first. If you are in foundation, then you may read for up to 4 hours, that is enough, but advisable to invest time as much as possible. Suppose I want to give you example. Suppose you got 210 marks in foundation or got 310 marks in foundation. So if you will get 310 marks in foundation, it will create impact in intermediate also, and your confidence level in intermediate will be high automatically. So to your confidence and to boost your confidence, you have to invest as much as time possible and to gain more than 300 or near to 300 marks. So now let's move forward to inter and final. If you are giving a single group of intermediate or final, then advisable to study for 5 to 8 hours on daily basis. For inter and final, revision is important for theoretical subject, so invest for 5 to 8 hours daily basis. Initially you may go for 4 to 5 hours, then after few days you have to study for at least 5 to 8 hours. So you will complete your single group within the time frame. So go for 5 to 8 hours. If we talk about both groups of inter or final, then you have to study for at least 8 hours on a regular basis, because you have 8 subjects in hand. For example, if you did one subject and after 30 or 40 days you are touching that subject, so most probably you will forget that subject. So you have to study for 8 to 10 hours on regular basis. So keeping eyes on every subject at regular interval is important. So invest your 8 to 10 hours on daily basis, because now you are not going for a physical classes, so you may study at least for 8 to 10 hours on regular basis. So hope this video is helpful to you, so you may like, share and subscribe the channel for more information and updates. And thank you for watching. Keep learning.